wako mwana ukamtuma duniani, kisha na maana nipate uzima. Jamani, wako mwana ukamtuma duniani, kisha na maana nipate uzima. Jamani, ishara kwamba unanipenda zaidi. Hapo nichelewa, sifa nitakupa zaidi. Ishara kwamba unanipenda zaidi. Hapo nichelewa, sifa nitakupa zaidi. Na siwezi jizuia kusema wako wema, sio kama najigamba, umenitenda wema. Siwezi jizuia kusema wako wema. Hey, what's up? My name is Robin. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Mwema by Masika. It's a beginner song, so if you're in your early stages of playing the keys, this one shouldn't be a hassle to get by. As always, guys, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know in the comment area. And if you learn something from this tutorial, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're first time here, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future uploads. So guys, with that aside, let's kick off right after this. This song is in the key of A sharp, but in this tutorial I'll teach you guys how to play it in the key of A. But if you want to play it in the key of A sharp, you'll just transpose your keyboard, that is if you're using a keyboard, to key A sharp. If you're using a normal keyboard, piano, sorry, then you'll have just to play it in A. So the progression for the song is 6 1 5 1 4 1 5 6. So 6 is F sharp minor, A major for 1, 5 is E major, back to A, 4 is D major chord, back to A, E again, and then finally the 6th chord, which is F sharp minor. So I'm show you how to hold these chords. So the first chord is F sharp minor. This is an inversion of F sharp minor. So normally you'll hold like your F sharp here, F sharp, the normal F sharp minor chord. Then if you invert it, first inversion, then you play it as so. So on the first inversion, my left hand is playing note A with my small finger. Then I'm playing C sharp, note C sharp with my middle finger, and F sharp with my thumb. On my right hand, A with my thumb, my middle finger plays C sharp and F sharp with my small finger. And then the chord that follows is an A chord. So this is a normal A chord with no inversions. So my left hand is playing notes A with my small finger, C sharp with my middle finger, and note E with my thumb. Right hand, A with my thumb, note C sharp with my middle finger, and note E with my small finger. The chord that follows will be the E chord. So this E chord is an inversion. So normally you'll hold your E chord here. When you invert it, the first version, then you will play here. So this is the first inversion of the E major chord. So on my left hand, I am playing note G sharp with my ring finger. My middle finger plays note B and E with my thumb. Right hand, thumb plays G sharp. My pointer finger plays note B and E with my small finger. So that's E major, the fifth chord of the A key A. And then you go back to A, and then now we have the fourth chord, which is chord, this is D major chord. This is also an inversion. This is second inversion of the D chord. So you'll normally you'll hold your D here, so D, then second inversion, first inversion, D chord. So I have actually gone, you know, like behind. So D, first inversion, second inversion. So this second inversion, I am using on my left hand, my pointer plays, my small finger plays note A, note D with my pointer finger, and F sharp with my thumb. Right hand, you know, still second inversion, D, second inversion, first inversion, then D. So my thumb plays note A, my middle finger plays note D, and my small finger plays note F sharp. So those are the chords that are comprising this chord progression. So all chords together will be 6, 1, 5, 4. 1, 4, 1, 5, 6. So this is the progression from start to end. So this is the intro, the verses, the chorus, all those sections follow this chord progression. So let me just sing a bit so that you guys can have an idea on how everything comes together. Wako mwana ukamtuma duniani, kisha na maana mpate uzima. Jamani, wako mwana ukamtuma duniani, kisha na maana mpate uzima. Jamani, ishara kwamba unanipenda zaidi, hapo nishaelewa, sifa nitakupa zaidi. You know, that's how the song sounds with that progression. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to give this tutorial a thumbs up if you learn from it. And also, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial, let me know at the comment area. Plus, if you're new in this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.